What is up, guys? This is Simons, and this is Crazy Normal. Now, today I am playing Would You Press the Button? It's where it asks you a question, and it has a consequence to it. You gotta think whether you press it or you don't. Let's jump right into it. Let's go. Discover all the secrets and mysteries of the world, but you forget them after 2 hours. Yeah. Still would like to know what they are. You can make anything taste like whatever you want it to, but you will be constantly hungry. Well, I'm already constantly hungry, but I would like anything to taste. Oh, not a lot of people agreed with me. You get everything you ever wanted, but you have near-death experiences every 5 hours. So, I don't die, but I get whatever I want. No, I don't want to go through that experience. 63% would. Okay then. Your biggest fear disappeared, but you have to give it to your closest friend. Yeah. A lot of people don't like their closest friend. You can eat your favorite food anytime you want, but you can never eat anything else again. Well, my favorite food is snowballs, but I wouldn't want to eat just that every day, so no. 66% did not. You have the best marriage ever, but you no longer have any friends except your family. That's a hard one. No. I'd rather have the crappiest. A lot of people don't care about friends, I guess. Alright, you can fly, but you have to dress like Peter Pan forever. Small price to pay, but I do it. Most people agree. You're perfectly happy with your life, but your perfect soulmate isn't interested in you. Ooh. It's either happiness or love. I'd rather be in love, so no thanks. Most people agree with me. You can become invisible at will anytime, but you must be naked for it to work. Alright, let's get to it. No, I'm just kidding. No, I know it would never happen. A lot of people agree. I guess these people are self-conscious about the way they look. You change your gender, but you can never change it back. Yeah, I do it. 63% would not. They feel comfortable with themselves, 100%. You can become invisible, but only at random times for random lengths of time, so you won't be able to control it. No, I'd want to control it. You get the perfect body, but you have to drink blood to make it that way. Does that mean I'd have to kill someone to make my perfect body so I can, like, do that? Oh, if you saw me, like, I'm not the greatest looking, so yeah. You get $500,000, but you can never get to see another movie. Well, I'm a big YouTube and movie watcher, so it's either rich or fame, or you get to see movies. I didn't say anything about YouTube, so a lot of people agree. Find out when and how you die, but you can't affect it in any way whatsoever. Yeah. Because not affecting it, if you find out how, you can't drive yourself crazy to death. So, yeah, I'd like to know when and how. You saved the lives of 1 million people, but your own mother dies. I haven't really been close with her at all or anything, so yeah, I would sacrifice her to save 1 million people. A lot of people aren't like me. You get 100% in every class, but you can't have any friends. No thank you. Oh, barely anyone disagreed. Barely. It was like half and half. You find the Holy Grail, but no one believes you. I mean, me believing it myself is enough. Even if you said you found the Holy Grail, no one would believe you. I don't even know what that is, but yeah. You never have to pay for anything again, but you still have to work. Yeah, I do it. 88% would too. 12% would like to pay for stuff. You have knowledge of literally everything in the world. Like, I know everything that's gonna happen and all. But you have no way to communicate this knowledge to other people. Ooh. That means you can't talk. You become twice as strong, but you become half as smart. I don't know a lot of stuff, and what I do know is just pretty much basic. So, yeah. No. Yeah. I would. Oh, a lot of people want to keep how smart they are. You can make anyone change their minds, but you have to give them a slap on the face. Ooh, that'd be fun. Just like, oh, you changed your mind. Yeah. Oh, a lot of people don't want to do that. Okay. Okay, let's do You become the happiest person on earth, but you have to swap bodies with the person you hate the most. Um, I don't know. No. No, oh, a lot of people would. You can warp any. You can warp at will in any universe you want, even fictional ones or alternate timeline of yours. But you will never find love. No, a lot of people would. It's close, but most. You live forever, but you can never talk to someone again. That's still going along with either live a certain amount of time or find your loved one, because in a relationship you need talking, so no. A lot of people wouldn't either. Alright. You marry your dream girl, but she will cheat on you constantly. No. That's a straight up no, because I don't like anyone that cheats. I don't associate with anyone that does, and I lost a best friend because of that. A lot of people agree with me. Alright. You have the power to see through clothes, but you can't turn it off. Oh. Yeah, I would. You can bring one person back from the dead and they will live for 25 years, but your lifespan will be reduced by 25 years. No. You are rich beyond your wildest dreams, but you can only spend your money on others, not yourself. Now, I'd rather... It's either be nice or be poor. I'd rather be poor. The last one. You master every instrument in the world, but you can no longer walk. I've always wanted to play an instrument and master an instrument, but I don't think every instrument, and at the cost of no longer being able to walk. There's some instruments that you have to stand, but they probably didn't think of that. No. There we have it, folks. Would you rather? Now, if you want a part 2 to this video, comment down below. If you want to see some other video, or a consequence if I'm vote against majority, comment that down below, or any other videos you want me to make or react to. Now today I am starting the shout out. If you want a shout out, you just subscribe, hit the like button, and that's how you do it. Today's shout out is John Moore. He has a video put out. I will put a link in the description down below. He's a really cool guy and I know him from class. Peace out.